Greetings from Porto, Portugal. We are here at the MES and Industry 4.0. I'm here with May Yap of Jabil Corporation, who delivered a keynote speech yesterday on digital transformation. So let's talk a little bit about the Jabil's transformation that spans across dozens of sites globally. What's been the biggest challenge in standardizing digital operations at scale without slowing innovation?
Perfect question, right? So I think people, I would not say they are challenges, but they are definitely something that we need to focus on. Remember what I say, people at the heart of all transformation, and making sure that the OCM, the organization, change management, why we are doing it, the value proposition, and somebody said today it's not for the company only, it's also for them. So those kind of messages needs to be very, very clear. So yeah, so I think that's the biggest challenges, because everybody have their mind, everybody is excited, everybody wanted to create something that they think is special for the site, right? So that's always our challenge and the struggle with them.
It's ironic, we're here in Porto where lots of bridges and rich culture experience, so good place to
bridge
build
everybody. Yeah, absolutely.
Now, how is Jabil's using AI and data to move beyond the operational efficiency and unlock new services or revenue streams?
Yeah, so we definitely have our focus on how to create AI-enabled manufacturing, but beyond just the four wall, right? So remember I said we set up a data and AI council, right? So every function, senior leaders from that function, they send a representative into our council. So they will actually come out with their use cases, finance use cases on how to do contract review, how to actually do sentiment analysis, how to do reporting, how do we compare our financial results with the other competitors. So those are some of the use cases. Likewise, HR will actually have their own use cases, supply chain, right? So it is actually a very, very flamboyant and very, very exciting and vibrant meeting that we have, that everybody is actually fighting and trying to actually bring up their use cases.
Now let's elaborate a little bit. How do you align the digital priorities across different business units that you reference in regions while keeping the focus on enterprise-wide outcomes?
Absolutely. So remember, everything that we say we wanted to do, it needs to actually bring value. So it is actually value-based. So when you bring up all these use cases, you got to tell me what value is it going to bring to the company, right? Is it going to reduce cost? Is it going to increase revenue? Is it going to improve efficiency, etc.? Right? So it's value-based, and based on the value-based, we will collectively decide, yes, that's what we want to do.
I love that. I've always dreamed of building a way to score different vendors on their AI use cases. If we're building it, I'll definitely want to have you on my council. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Now, what foundational capabilities in systems, talent, or governance have proven most critical to sustaining long-term digital transformation at Jabil?
Yeah, so again, remember what we say, every transformation, it comes back to people, process, technology, and data, right? So I think we always hear the three parts of it, but data has actually become a very big and important part of it, right? So I think we need to actually set up the right data governance, how to manage data. So as IT, what we do is provide them with the tools, right? Set the foundation right for them, so that the data is actually in a trusted source. People can actually go subscribe and use it. So how they use it, I think it is depending on the functions, right? So we democratize IT to make sure that, hey, we provide the trusted data, you go and use it.
Love that, democratize IT. So always brag about how IT World is trying to democratize the manufacturing marketing insight. So love to hear that democratization of IT in Jabil. So May, thank you so much for the insights, and if your audience have questions, thinking about how to approach this, feel free to reach out to May and somebody on her team to answer your question, leveraging the hashtag you see on the screen.
Thank you.